Hi guys, I just wanted to show you old Sammy laying on top of me. We've been separated for about 3 days. We're very happy to be back in each other's presence. I just want to tell you guys that I'm at home resting comfortably. Thank you guys for letting me making those videos. I realized that I might have been pretty lit in those videos. They were giving me all of my medicine and they wasn't playing. I knew I had to come up out of there. Shoot, shoot, no. Woo. They was hooking a homie up. Homie ain't trying to get there. Homie ain't trying to get the hookup. I'm cool. You know, if you know what I'm talking about. And anyways, you guys take care of each other. Hope you guys having an awesome day. And it's super duper talking with you guys. Alright. Next time. Bye bye.